Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now look at this exponential equation. The equation is 3 to the power 1 upon under root x plus 9 to the power 1 upon under root x is equals to 27 to the power 1 upon under root x. Let's see how do we proceed in this question. First of all, just assume just a is equals to 1 upon under root x. Now put this value of a in this equation. You get 3 raised to the power a plus 9 raised to the power a plus 27 raised to the power a. Further, you can write this 9 as a power of 3. This is 3 square whole to the power a is equals to 3 to the power 3 whole to the power a. Further, you can write it as 3 to the power a plus 3 to the power 2a plus 3 to the power 3a. Now let assumes that 3 to the power a is equals to y. Putting this y in this equation, you get y plus y square is equals to y cube. Now rearrange this equation as y cube minus y square minus y is equals to 0. Taking out y common, you get y square minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now this implies that y is equals to 0 and the other y square minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now here, since y is equals to 3 to the power a and this 3 to the power a is greater than 0, so this is not equivalent to 0. Now we reject this solution of y here. Now solving this equation, quadratic equation, using the quadratic formula, that is y is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have the value of b is it's minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 1 upon 2 into 1. Further solving for y, we have y is equals to 1 plus minus under root 1 plus 4 upon 2. Further you can write it as y is equals to 1 plus minus under root 5 upon 2. So we have two solutions of y is equals to 1 plus 5 under root 5 upon 2 and the other solution is y is equals to 1 minus under root 5 upon 2. Now since y is equals to 3 to the power a, so 3 to the power a is equals to 1 minus under root 5 upon 2, but as you know that this value is less than 0. This is a negative value, but 3 to the power a is greater than 0, so we reject this solution of y. Now working on this solution, we have y is 1 plus under root 5 upon 2, replacing this y with 3 to the power a, 1 plus under root 5 upon 2. Now taking log on both sides, we get this equation. So we have a log of 3 is equals to log 1 plus under root 5 upon 2. Now divide by log of 3 on both sides. So you get this. Cancelling this, a is equals to log of 1 plus under root 5 upon 2 upon log of 3. Now since a is equals to 1 upon under root x as we assumed earlier, so we get log of 1 plus under root 5 upon 2 upon log of 3. Now if we take the inverse of it, so we get here under root x is equals to log of 3 comes in the numerator and this log of 1 plus under root 5 upon 2 comes in the denominator. Now working further on this, if we take the square on both sides, so we get this equation whole square. Now this 2 and this is cancelled, we have x. Now log of 3 has a value 0.477 and this has a value 0.2089 whole square. After calculating this, you get 2.283 whole square. Further, you get x is equals to 5.21 and this is our required answer. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.